Yeah, hello everyone, my name is Christopher Williams, Williams Blade Design. Our latest model we made with line steel here, the OZM series. This is the OZM batch number 2, which has a black mil-spec blade, black screws. It's got a hidden tang, 3.5-inch blade. So you have one screw, as you can see here, is a bit raised. It's reminiscent of the Emperor node that you'd find on like Japanese tanto with the samehara. It's this raised portion of bumps in the samehara that they would always put on this side of the handle, the ura side in Japanese, but the outward facing side. So what it does is help you with indexing, so you know right away which way the blade is facing. And yeah, it's my Karta Sleipner steel, made by Lion Steel, and it'll be available later this month. No worries.